So here is the epoxy after 24 hours. A nice hard little blob. It has been 10 days since I made my epoxy blob experiment. And here is my piece of epoxy. As I rub it in my hands, I'm noticing nothing is dissolving. And I thought I would just try a couple of tests on it, and we'll see how it holds up. A nice sharp file. Let's see what happens when I file this. Oh, it's rubbery. Interesting. I expected it to be metallic, and instead it is pliable. Metal. Look at, so flexible. After 10 days in gasoline, it certainly files easily. So I would call it soft. If I scratch it with a dental pick, what do I get? Rubbery. It definitely feels rubbery. So at this point I can conclude that the Harbor Freight epoxy, when cured for 24 hours, then placed in gasoline for 10 days, remains flexible, or possibly even, as you can see there, a little less flexible, a little more brittle, but soft. Will that hold my float post in position in a vibrating Honda GL1000 motor?